The first of the three types of variables that we're going to look at are environmental variables. Now, these have nothing to do with PowerShell, actually. These are variables that exist inside of Windows, and various programs can use them, including PowerShell. I've shown you where they exist in Windows. HKey local machine in the registry, system, current control set, control, session manager, and environment. I've looked that up for you so that you don't have to go through all that. And here they are. Here are the environmental variables. One, for example, is called username. So this holds the name of the current user. Now, how might I use that? Well, let's say that if the current user is Roger, which it happens to be, by the way, and a program, in some program, I have the save button defined to save it to that username's directory. Then if I just say save to C user's username and then the name of the file, this would save it to C user's Roger and then the file. And when the user changes, of course, then this line doesn't have to be changed in the program. It's a kind of a generic, box name, if you will, for whatever the current user is at that moment. So we've seen what those are in Windows. Let's take a look at them in PowerShell. I'm going to type get child item, and then remember those PS drives? We had these providers, and these providers provided PS drives for us. One of those PS drives was called environment, or ENV. So those are the environmental variables, the same ones that you just saw in Windows itself. All right, in the next video, we're going to take a look at some of the PowerShell variables.